Hi guys, my name is Kay and I have to show you this office chair. I work from home and I need something that's super comfy, and this chair is everything because you can sit cross-legged on it. It is so wide. I'm going to show you a comparison between this chair and my previous office chair, how much bigger and wider this one is to make it super comfy to sit cross-legged, and you can also sit regularly, of course. And it has several different adjustments. It has an adjustment on height with the normal lever. Here I am adjusting the height. It's super easy to put up or down, which I like because my desk is a bit of a weird height, and if you sit cross-legged, you might need to adjust it. This is what it looks like. You can see how much room it is. I love that you can sit cross-legged or regularly on this chair. And here I am just using it for work. I use this chair for hours every single day because, again, I work from home. And this is literally the comfiest office chair I have ever had. I think it is so comfortable and I love it. The assembly was not very difficult. It has this base and then the two different pieces for the seat and the back that you basically just put together, and it has really detailed instructions and it comes with all the tools that you need. So super easy assembly, and here it is up next to my desk. Again, it's so comfy, it's high quality, and it's just a beautiful chair. I was gifted this from my honest review, but I've sat in this for hours and days and it's great. There's the lever to adjust the height and all the different settings there at the bottom. And here's a quick comparison of the size. Absolutely love, highly recommend.